Hi guys, Trader Worth the Risk here with the Crypto Collective, and I just wanted to record this quick video for you guys just to give you a run through our server and just the different channels and the different educational tools you can actually use to help improve your skills in trading and investing and to find different opportunities. So when you come into our server, you're going to arrive in the new members channel, and we have a paid section and a free section. If you wanted to get a 1 month free trial of our paid section, you're going to click on join members, and you're going to write trial or ASX. Depending on where you came from, you're going to have a code that you type, and we're going to give you 1 month free access to the paid side of our server. So just before we do anything, I'm going to just show you, Discord. So on the left here are the different servers that you actually join. So this is our one, the Crypto Collective, and you click on the server and it takes you into their main page. And then on the left, you have the channels where you can scroll up and down, and some of them are drop-down menus. So you might want to spend some time and just have a browse through and, just explore and discover some stuff in the server. Now, when you come into Discord, if you've got the icon up here, if you click it, it takes you to the home. This is your personal inbox. So, when you join our server, you would have received an inbox that states our terms and conditions, and you accept them upon entry. So if you miss that, they're up here in the terms and conditions. It's like the first channel you can see when you join. And we also have the rules of our server, just to go over them quickly. Just have respect to everyone. We have people of all races, of all genders in this server. So just keep in mind when you're discussing things, try to be respectful to everyone. Don't post advertisements for other companies or links unless, you kind of check with us first. There's no MLM marketing in this channel. If you post anything like that, you're going to get banned instantly. And just please try to ask good questions. Like, don't just write like, oh, should I buy here? Try to ask questions that generate discussion, and because if you ask stupid questions, they're not really going to want to answer your questions. The whole point of our server is we've kind of created an environment where experienced traders can kind of help each other out. So try to add constructive stuff to the channel, and if you're going to share stuff, try to share well put together information, or at least information that's verified and has a basic idea behind it. So now let's quickly go through the channels. So you've got the terms here. If you don't want to watch this video, just go to contents. It's going to explain every channel for you here. Now, for those who want to upgrade, you've got payment info. And now, whether you're a free member or a paid member, there's going to be some main areas you want to pay attention to. If you're a paid member or a trial member, the main area is the trading investing hub here. Now, we've got 3 resident traders in the server. We've got myself, Worth the Risk. We've got Dax, and we've got Jason, which is Hello Crypto. Now, Dax has about 10 years experience in finance. He's got a master's degree in finance. I've got 4 years experience in crypto trading. And Jason has also been trading for about 10 years, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. So we've got our respective channels here. Dax Trades is Dax's channel. WTR Trades is my channel. We both post updates and the trade setups we're looking at in these channels. So if you're new to trading and investing, you want to pay attention to all these channels, because you're going to have a lot of good traders that are sharing their ideas and their successes. So you can scroll up this channel and you can see like what technical analysis techniques we use to make these successful trades and picks. So they're the 2 main ones: Dax Trades, WTR Trades. Under this, we've got daily updates. Now, all 3 of us are going to be posting updates on important stuff we see here. We've got ASX updates. That's my personal analysis on the ASX 200. Now, this is the main chat, members chat for upgraded members. We've got, there's like a fair bit of people here, 300-400 people on it. When the market's really moving, there's a lot of useful trades and information being shared here. Underneath here is members trades. So members who have successful trades, you want to share them with the group so they can see, what you picked or what you did right. This is going to be the channel for you. If you want to discuss stocks or the ASX under this, if you want to discuss gold or silver is the next one. And then this channel is our long-term picks that me, Jason, and Dax are going to come together to give you guys analysis and general recommendations on. Under here, we usually do weekly live trainings to get the new members up to scratch with technical analysis techniques. So we will be announcing that in here. And if you miss them, you've got the recordings here. One of the first things I recommend you do here is, when you join, go to recordings, scroll up and just start watching the videos. Even if you can watch one a week, it's really going to help you get up to scratch. Doesn't matter if you want to day trade or long-term invest, you should at least consider using technical analysis, because it's going to help you find better prices or better points to buy your stocks at, or, it's going to help you find better places to sell your stocks at. It's going to give you an advantage in the long run. So that's the main area if you're an upgraded or paid member. Now, majority of the rest of the Discord is free, minus some channels here and there. But the rest is basically education based. Underneath here, we've got crypto technology. That's for crypto traders. If you're loaning crypto, you've got the chat. If you want to find out news that are going to affect the markets, it's here. That's this. You can look at that channel yourself. The next important section you're going to want to look at is the education resources and underneath the database. So in the resources, different learning materials, you just go over them when you have time. There's no particular order you should go over them in, but just have a look. If you're really brand new, visit the starting guide. There's going to be some videos in there. They're going to give you an overview of, what you should start looking at as a beginner. The main thing you should look at as a beginner, whether you're long-term stocks trading or day trading, is support and resistance. So I've actually created an educational database here for you guys. We've got the main sections here. We've got chart patterns, which is here, tech patterns database. We've got support and resistance, candlesticks, and psychology. So if you go to support and resistance, basically when the price of a stock or an asset, a crypto, comes to a certain price and it revisits it again and again, as you can see, it starts to go up from the same area. So this is called support. And when it reaches the same level and comes down, it's called resistance. So this is the most basic technical analysis, support and resistance. This is the first thing you should be going over and learning if you're starting. Once you've learned and you understand this, then you can move on to candlesticks, to chart patterns. So just have a look at these. I've created heaps of images, have a read of them. Basically, the way it works is if you're a paid member, you're going to see in the Trading Investing Hub our trades. And we're actually going to post the different types of techniques we're using in each trade. So you can see how we put them together. So I was talking about a trade here on SXP, which is another investment. And I've described the different patterns in it. So you can click on them and, you can see how they're used for you to find opportunities. So what else do we have here? We have the collective community, this is our free chat. We've got some exchange links, our recommended exchanges and brokers, and some other random channels. So in your own free time, have a look around. We've got our social media links here. We've got some results from the trades we've posted, and we've also got now one important thing I'll just note just before I end the video. If you're just a stocks trader, we have a bot here that posts cryptocurrency when big trades happen in the market. So it's going to give you a lot of notifications. So if you want to turn that off, you're going to see this large trade bot. You can just right click and go to notifications and turn on nothing. Because now, if you turn off notifications for the whole Discord, you're going to miss important posts, important updates. So as you sit in the server and you see which channels you like and you want to get updates from, make sure you turn the notifications on or off depending on what you want to get notified about. So the last thing I will show you guys is the coin bot. So if, for those, it really surprised me. I know that there's a lot of like ASX investors and they're using like Google charts and stuff. Like, you should be using TradingView. It's going to make your life a bit easier. It's got extra tools to help you as well. And if you're not going to use TradingView, you can come into our server. You can use the coin bot. So you basically, if you want to look up Amazon, you type in C Amazon and like a 1 hour chart, and it's going to just, or see Bitcoin 1 hour chart, whatever, asset you want to look up, you type in C, the name of it, a space and the time, and it's going to give you an instant chart. It's going to give you the price, so you can check it quickly on your mobile when you're on the go or wherever you are. So that's just a quick run through of our server. There's usually an admin on at all times, so if you have a question, you can just jump in the collective community general chat and you can type in @founder, and it's going to tag whoever's one of our founders, whoever's online. You can ask us any questions you want. So I hope you guys find the server useful. If you're not a member of our server yet, you might want to consider joining, because there is heaps of free stuff for you to use, on your journey while you're learning to trade and invest. So the link is posted below in the description. Stay tuned, guys. I've got about 3 or 4 more videos coming up. I'm going to teach you guys the basics of using TradingView. I'm going to teach you guys using key levels like I just talked about, the horizontal support and resistance, and just some other educational stuff. So I'll see you guys on the video, and thanks for tuning in.